Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today's discussion topic is related to how to install VirtualBox into Windows host. But there are multiple hosts too, like Linux and Mac OS, and there are Solaris too that is all supported for VirtualBox. And we are all aware of there are multiple softwares too, like related to virtualizations like VMware and VirtualBox. There are multiple more. These two are actually famous. Now for VMware we need the license keys and you have to buy it. But for VirtualBox is free to use because it open source. So that's why we use VirtualBox most of the time. So how to install VirtualBox into your Windows system, that will be checking into this video. So for let's not further waste your time, and we'll just head over to the session. So just fire up your browser, search for VirtualBox download, press enter and go to the downloads, and as you can see there are multiple hosts, right? So we'll be just installing this Windows host. Just click here as okay, so for me it's already downloaded. What you can do, just download this one, and this extension pack 2 is also downloaded for me, so no issues. Now what we'll do, we just open the file manager, and we'll go to downloads, and we'll just focus on these two files. Yeah, there are multiple more files. No, it's just focus on these two files. We just need these two files, and just double click on VirtualBox. You'll just see a pop-up. Maybe it's not been displayed into the recording sessions, but you'll just get a pop-up and just asking for yes or no. Press yes, and you will get a new tab or new window like this. Just press next, and we'll be getting where the location of the software which will be installed. So for me it's C program files and then Oracle VirtualBox. You can change it if you want. Now press next, and we'll be getting the network interface warning. So it will be installing some new interfaces, no issues. And there are some missing dependencies too that it will also install because it depends on some libraries maybe. Okay, so press next, and then these are the default ones. Just keep it like this. Next, and then install. Maybe it will take some couple of seconds. So let's just do it. And okay, so as you can see, it's installed. We'll just keep it checked, and we'll just open. We'll just open with the finish by clicking on the finish. And okay, the new window will be opening like this. And what you can do, we have to install the extension pack too. So how you can check the extension pack? You just click here and go to extensions. Currently there are no installed extensions, right? You can check it here like this too by going to tools, extension pack. You can install it directly from here, or you can just go to the file explorer, double click it, and this will be opening on to, and just install. Scroll to bottom and press I agree, and yes, you can see it's installed, right? You can also uninstall it from here. Now here is a big session, so just press on this welcome to go to the main page. It literally took me some 2 or 3 minutes to guess where is the key in GUI, though let's not worry about. We already have a look, right? So that's how you install VirtualBox. Now our next session, what we'll do, we'll just install Kali Linux into this VirtualBox to use that as a operating system for the hacking and all purposes. Okay, so that's for this video. We'll just head over to the next video.